Assalamu alaikum dear all. I hope you are doing well. My name is Javed Akhtar. I'm expert Amazon, eBay, Etsy. This is our first lecture and in our course, especially for Amazon Wholesale, this course I will teach each and everything in my presentation and live practicals. So I hope you will read and you will practice on your account and 100% you can follow my instruction and easily you can work on FBA wholesale any market. So format is same like this one is the Amazon account open front of you. So I will teach each and everything live practically and I hope you can easily understand and you can follow my instruction and watch my video and you can become an expert for Amazon wholesale. This is the account Amazon and I will teach now on my presentation. So guys, this is my presentation. In introduction already explained and here Amazon business model I will teach Amazon wholesale business. So second page you can do business for 20 more than 21 country for Amazon selling and you can create your shop in any country but problem for text and language. So I suggest to you you can start that country for English, easily understand for your product description, title, and also you can manage your account easily. So I will suggest to you and I will recommend to you, you can do business for UE market, USA market, and UK market. That three market also very good model of business. So next page here account Amazon professional plan and individual plan. What is this? Amazon account for professional. When you will create in USA market, Amazon will charge $40 on your professional account. By default, when you will create your Amazon account, by default, Amazon will charge $40. After that, you will change your setting Amazon professional account plan to Amazon individual plan. Individual plan, you will sell limited product and also Amazon will not charge $40. So in the detail Amazon professional and individual for another video available. In this all point I will do practical and I will explain. So here also for your reference, Amazon account, enter the setting account info and your service manage, click on manage and that option will show. Here is the registered button, this one, click that one and after that will come new page. Here you can change the professional or individual plan. So second page here, how to work an Amazon method. You also can change your setting in Amazon account. When you will list your product, that time Amazon will ask this product who will ship after order. Amazon will ship or you will ship like a FBA. You will choose the FBA. So Amazon fulfilled by Amazon. He will pick back your order and he will ship on consumer customer address, or you will change your the FPM option. So you will ship and you will pick back your order and you will drop your customer address. So this one also you can select when you will listing your product. So when you will list your product, you can select FBA or FPM method. Also you can setting change in your account all product you want to do for FPM or you want to do for FBA. So second page here, Amazon interface, Amazon 2 interface, one for shopping interface, second for Amazon selling interface. Selling interface mean our shop and shopping interface mean where will buy our customer our product. In this page, what is the B2B and B2C business? Many companies manufacture, they open account on Alibaba platform and after that they will sell manufacture for wholesale quantity product. So you can consider that business B2B business. For example, I am doing business on Amazon, so I will buy in wholesale quantity on Alibaba platform. So Alibaba platform sitting the many manufacturers, they will sold product in wholesale quantity, and I will buy wholesale quantity and I will sell on Amazon platform. So this model I can say for Amazon B2C business. So guys, here I will do for live practical as I already explained in my presentation. So you want to do change your plan, how you will change your professional or individual plan. This is the account, this is the main menu, this for setting. Click on the setting and click on account information. After that, come down, here is you can see the manage your service, click on that one. After that, you can see here for new page, and here you can click, and here professional and individual. If you will change this one, apply changing, or you can professional. So I will not change and I will not apply. The second practical, how you will change your FBA and FPM method. So very easy, you can click on the menu, catalog, add product, and after that you can copy for ASIN for Amazon standard identification number. You will put here, paste and search, and after that new window will be open. So just wait, here new window will be open. See the all detail here, you can select and new condition after the sale that product, and here also will show the new page. You can see here first, you can watch here, I will ship or you will ship. So you will change, I will ship mean FPM, Amazon will ship mean FPA. So this one also you can do that one, and after that save and finish. So this is for FPA or FPM. And also you can change here, very easy. So you can come down and here you can click, and also inventory click. Here you can see the all product listed, for example this one, and I want to change this one FPA. No is the FPA, but I want to change for FPM. Click on that one, and after that you can change here, change to fulfilled by merchant. Before for FPA, no, I want to change for FPM. When you click that button and OK, the changing will happen. So this practical also completed.